Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Now guys, spoiler alerts have been released regarding the Umkhokha, the Curse show. This was released by Ujabulani McDonald on Twitter, and this is regarding what we should be expecting, you guys, on the upcoming weeks of Umkhokha, the Curse. So it says good versus evil. Maphalala returns and prepares to save his son from evil, but will he succeed? It's confirmed. Kabisile is pregnant with Lwazi's child, but how will her parents react to this? Sibusiso tries to kill Pamandla, and Mabusi buys Kabisile a car to show her support for her sister. Zisebenzele is adamant about marrying Ntombi and will do whatever it takes to make it happen. Ndlovu's health takes a sharp turn. Could this be karma? Meanwhile, Ndlovu's wives return to Itembele Linkosi. The Kumetes and the Mtianes clash as history threatens to repeat itself, and Mamzobe will stop at nothing to prevent it. Lwazi is forced to make a tough decision regarding his future with Kabisile. And could something be brewing between Sibusiso and Sbahle? Guys, this is going to be interesting to see. I can't wait. Tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.